School English Broadcast.
School English Broadcast.
Hello everyone. Today is the 6th of October. In 1973, Egypt made a great victory and returned back its stolen land. Happy Victory Day. Now, it's broadcast time. Let's get started.
The Science Spot.
Did you know?
The first country to introduce 5G is South Korea.
Did you know?
Red irritated eyes after swimming in a pool isn't caused by chlorine. It is caused by urine.
International Proverbs.
The more you know, the less you believe.
A Sicilian proverb. The English Spot.
English idiom. A smart cookie
Means an intelligent person.
Don't say.
Good in.
Say.
Good at.
My sister is good at math.
The word of the day.
Math gives us hope that every problem has a solution.
We have to leave you.
We wish you a happy day and a successful life. See you next time.